Honda.
My name's Lindsey Gazelle. I'm a baker and I live in Toronto.
Walking along as I'm singing my song and I'm stepping in time to a beat of my own as I go.
My Honda Fit's really great for getting around the city, delivering through alleys and one-way streets and narrow streets with cars on either side. I can fit anywhere. It's great.
The world keeps rolling on. Do it my way.
The good part about having a baking business is I'm always involved in happy occasions. So whenever I deliver to clients, they're always happy to see me and they're happy to receive cookies because everyone loves cookies. So it's a great business to be in.
You.